Them ain't no weeds, Mr. Grimes. Them is greens to cook to eat and herbs and roots to cure all kind of miseries what ails you. This here is my greens. I got some creasy and some pulsy and some poke salad. I parboils them and cooks them with wild onions and salt meat, and they make good eating with corn pone. Now that there is mullein. I takes mullein and pine top and salt, and I does different other things with different ones. Mullein bath is good for the feet and legs to stop swelling and heart dropsy. I also uses it for teas. This here is barefoot root. I cooks it down and adds pile lard and salt and makes a salve for the rheumatiz. Mayapple root is good to work the bowels, and black hall and cherry root makes a good tea to strengthen the appetite. Them there is Jerusalem oats for worms. Most and everybody knows that. Now this here is pulsy. It's fine for dysentery, and just like ripe pomegranate hulls, it'll stop the bowels from running off too. Tansy tea and red shank and hazel roots, them is all good for womanhood troubles. They tell me the tea from tansy will keep a gal from getting big, and hazel root boiled down with alum stones is good for a woman's body was falling, and red shank is always good. Pennyroyal make a good tea just like peppermint do, and Samson snake root is mighty good for cramps and pains in the belly. I reckon beings use as men's, you know about John the Conqueror. I uses Jimson weeds and red oak bark like I do my salt and mustard poultice, and you know elderberry and pokeberry is good for making wine. Course, I ain't got room for enough to make wine. Now, gentlemen, that's what I does with my weeds.